Welcome to my in-depth review of Azuga FleetMobile, a leading fleet management app designed to make managing your fleet easier and more efficient. This app offers a comprehensive set of tools for tracking vehicles, monitoring driver behavior, and ensuring your fleet operates smoothly. First, let's take a look at the main features of Azuga FleetMobile. When you first launch the app, you'll be greeted by a simple, user-friendly interface. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your fleet's activity, including real-time vehicle tracking, fuel usage, and driver performance. You can easily access important details such as trip history, maintenance schedules, and driver reports. Navigating the app is smooth, and all features are clearly labeled, making it easy to find what you need. One of the standout features of Azuga FleetMobile is its real-time GPS tracking. You can see the exact location of each vehicle in your fleet, which is incredibly helpful for dispatchers and managers. This feature allows you to track routes, monitor vehicle speeds, and ensure drivers are staying on track. The tracking system is highly accurate, and updates occur in real time. Another key feature is the driver behavior monitoring. Azuga FleetMobile tracks factors like harsh braking, speeding, and rapid acceleration. This data helps you identify unsafe driving habits and take corrective action if needed. For businesses looking to improve driver safety and reduce accidents, this feature is invaluable. The app also provides detailed reports that give you insights into your fleet's performance. You can generate reports on fuel efficiency, maintenance needs, and driver behavior. These reports help you make informed decisions to optimize fleet operations and reduce costs. Many useful links can be found in the description below, including resources to help you make the most of Azuga FleetMobile and maximize its features. In terms of performance, Azuga FleetMobile runs smoothly and rarely experiences downtime. The app is responsive and fast, with quick load times and minimal lag. Whether you're using it on Android or iOS, the experience is consistent and reliable. In conclusion, Azuga FleetMobile is a comprehensive and reliable fleet management solution. Its real-time tracking, driver behavior monitoring, and detailed reporting make it a valuable tool for any business that relies on a fleet of vehicles. If you're looking to streamline your fleet operations and improve efficiency, Azuga FleetMobile is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and insights.